Belly fat can be a stubborn and frustrating problem to deal with, but there are several strategies that can help reduce it. Eat a healthy diet. Focus on eating a diet that is high in fruits, vegetables, lean protein, and healthy fats. Avoid processed foods, sugary drinks, and excessive amounts of alcohol. Engage in regular exercise. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic exercise per week, as well as strength training exercises to build muscle mass. Manage stress. Stress can lead to increased levels of cortisol, a hormone that can contribute to belly fat. Engage in stress-reducing activities such as meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises. Get adequate sleep. Lack of sleep has been linked to increased levels of belly fat. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night. Limit your intake of refined carbohydrates. Foods high in refined carbohydrates, such as white bread, pasta, and pastries, can contribute to belly fat. Drink plenty of water. Drinking water can help you feel full and may help reduce your overall calorie intake. Remember, losing belly fat takes time and consistency. It's important to make sustainable lifestyle changes that you can stick to over the long term.